Welcome to BezReviews, where we break down the latest products. Today, we're diving into the WYBOT B1, a cordless robotic pool vacuum designed to simplify your in-ground pool maintenance. This advanced cleaner promises powerful suction and smart features for a spotless pool experience. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into the core performance of the WYBOT B1 and see how well. The triple motor system provides powerful and consistent suction, effectively capturing various debris from leaves to fine sand. Its 6-roller brush system and edge-to-edge cleaning technology ensure comprehensive coverage, even reaching tight corners and walls. With up to 125 minutes of continuous cleaning, this vacuum is well suited for larger pools up to 220 square feet. The multiple intelligent cleaning modes, including floor, wall, and waterline, allow for highly adaptable and thorough cleaning cycles. Overall, the WYBOT B1 showcases strong cleaning performance and efficiency, thanks to its powerful suction extensive. Now, let's look at the smart features and other critical factors for owning. App control for schedules and modes, combined with over-the-air updates, provides a modern and evolving user experience. While impressive, specific details about filter type or fine particulate capacity are not fully clear in the product description. At its current deal price, the WYBOT B1 presents a strong value proposition for its advanced features and cordless operation. The most significant aspect of ownership risk involves the unusual listed release date in 2026, which impacts current availability perception. The WYBOT B1 provides excellent smart control and offers good value at its current promotional price. The WYBOT B1 cordless robotic pool vacuum offers a highly automated and thorough cleaning solution for in-ground pools. Its powerful triple motor system, extensive brush setup, and multiple smart modes promise exceptional debris removal and comprehensive coverage. While the future release date is an unusual detail, the app control and OTA updates suggest a modern, evolving product.